Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jaypriya, your computer science faculty. Children, in our last class, we discussed about some Boolean laws, Boolean algebraic laws. Okay, that is properties of 0 and 1, then absorption law, involution law, idempotent law, complementarity law, different types of laws we were discussed in our last class. I hope you all studied all these laws and worked with the examples. Isn't it? Okay. Today, let's learn some other types of laws. The first one is commutative law. First one is commutative law. This commutative law maybe you studied in your mathematics. Okay. So, the commutative law says that x plus y is equal to y plus x and x dot y is equal to y dot x. Okay, commutative law says that x plus y is equal to y plus x and x dot y is equal to y dot x. Okay, now let us prove these laws by two tables. Okay, here I am drawing two tables for first and second laws. Here the first law, here x, y, x plus y and y plus x. Okay, two variables x and y. Then you can write all the possible combinations of x and y. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. Then x plus y and y plus x. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1, 1. Then you can add in reverse, that is y plus x. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1, 1. Okay. Now we can see that both x plus y and y plus x are identical. Okay. Both are having same value 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then we can say that x plus y is equal to y plus x. Okay. The next one, x dot y is equal to y dot x. So this is the two table for x dot y and y dot x. Okay, so first you write x, y, then x dot y, then y dot x. Then write all the possible combinations of x and y. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, then x dot y. Okay, x dot y you can write it as x, y. But here I am writing x dot y. Then 0 dot 0, 0, 0 dot 1, 1, 1 dot 0, sorry, 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 0, 0 and 1 dot 1, 1. And y dot x is also 0, 0, 0, 1. So we can see that both x dot y and y dot x are identical. Then we can say that x dot y is equal to x y dot x. Okay, hence it is proved. Clear? Next one, associative law. There are two laws in associative law. First one, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. Second one, x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z. Okay, or x into yz is equal to xy into z. So the first one, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. Okay, now let's prove by using two table. So this is the two table for associative law 1. Okay, then here we have three variable x, y, z. So we can write all the possible combinations of these three variables. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next add y plus z. First we can find out y plus z, then x plus y plus z, then find x plus y, then x plus y plus z. So these are the column. So here I am finding all the values for all these columns. Okay, by using in this table you can find out the last two columns, not the last two columns. See, x plus y plus z and x plus y plus z. Both columns are identical. That is 0, then all 1, here 0, then all 1. Okay, that is x plus y plus z is identical to x plus y plus z. So we can say that x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. Clear? In Boolean algebra, when a Boolean expression is true, then its dual expression is also true. Okay, dual of expression will be also true. So in this example, here first one is true, then second law is the dual of first. What is mean by dual? In dual, all plus will change into dot and all zeros will change into 1 and vice versa. Okay, so here the plus will be changed into dot, that is multiplication. So x into y z is equal to xy into z. So we can say that in associative law, second law is the dual of first one, hence it is also proved by first one. Okay, first one is proved, so second one is also proved. Okay, next one, distributive law. This law states that x into y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. Okay, x into y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. Second law states that x plus y is into x plus z. Clear? Now let us prove first law by using two tables. Okay, first write the combinations of x, y, z, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Then write y plus z. Okay, here y plus z values are 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Here these are the values for xy column. These are the values for xz column. Okay. Then here this column is x into y plus x. Y plus z, x into y plus z, this one x into y plus z, and last column is this one xy plus xz. Okay, see from this table you can see that the both values, that is x into y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. Both values are identical. So we can say that this law is proved by using two tables. Clear? And second one is the dual of first one. So that one is also proved by using these two tables. Okay, now let us prove the same law by using algebraic laws. Okay, Boolean algebraic laws. So let us prove second law, that is x plus y z is equal to x plus y into x plus z. We can prove this by using Boolean algebraic laws. So first take RHS. What is RHS? X plus y into x plus z. So take RHS. Okay, that is x plus y into x plus z. Okay, then we can multiply, that is x into x dot x plus x into z, xz plus yx plus yz. Okay, then x dot x. According to idempotent law, x dot x equal to x. Okay, and x plus x equal to x. So we can write x dot x equal to x plus then xz plus yx plus yz. Okay. See here, yx and xy are same. Okay, x dot y is equal to y dot x. So we can write it as xy, here yz. Okay. So same this one we can rearrange as x plus xy plus xz plus yz. Okay, then take this x out. Okay, that is x into 1 plus y. From these two terms we can take x as common. So x take outside, then x into 1 plus y plus xz plus yz. That is equal to 1 plus y. What is 1 plus y? According to properties of 0, 1 plus x equal to 1. Here instead of x we can use the variable y. So 1 plus y is equal to 1. So we can write x dot 1 plus xz plus yz. Okay. This one we can again write as x plus xz plus yz. Then from here we can take x outside, then x into 1 plus x plus yz. Okay, according to properties of 0 and 1, 1 plus x equal to 1. So x into 1 is equal to x into 1 plus yz, that is equal to x plus yz. Okay, that is equal to x plus yz, that is LHS. Okay, x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. So hence it is proved. Okay, that is LHS is equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS. So this law is proved by using algebraic laws. Okay, here once again I will explain. First take x plus y into x plus z. Then you can multiply each digit, that is x into x, x into z, xz, y into x, yx, y into z, yz. Okay. Then x by this yx you can write as xy, x dot x according to properties of 0, x dot x equal to x. So x plus xz plus xy plus yz. Then from this x plus xz you can take one x outside. So x into 1 plus y plus xz plus yz. Then according to properties of 0, see x dot x is not properties of 0, it is idempotence law. Okay, x. According to idempotence law, x dot x equal to x. Okay, here properties of 0, 1 plus y is equal to 1. So x dot 1 plus xz plus yz. Again you can take this x outside, then x into 1 plus x plus yz. Okay, so we get x dot 1 plus yz, that is equal to x plus yz, that is LHS. Okay, hence it is proved by using algebraic laws. Clear? So please practice these theorems by writing in your notebook. Okay, write and study all the laws. Okay. Okay, then next one, absorption law. Absorption law. There are two laws in absorption. First law says that x plus xy equal to x, and second law states that x into x plus y is equal to x. Okay, first law states that x plus xy is equal to x. Second law states that x into x plus y equal to x. Okay. Here I am drawing two tables for both laws for proving these two laws. Okay. So the first table here xy, you can write all the possible combinations of xy, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then find xy, x into y, that is 0 0 0 1. Then find x plus xy, this column plus this column, then we get 0 0 1 1. Okay, that is from this table you can identify both x plus xy column and x columns are same. So we can say that x plus xy is equal to x. Okay, so this law is proved by using two tables. Then what about second law? Second law states that x into x plus y is equal to x. X into x plus y is equal to x. Here the two tables for second law. First write all the possible combinations of x and y. Then find x plus y, that is this column plus this column. Then we get 0 1 1 1. Okay, next column x into x plus y. X into x plus y. Okay, this one we get 0 0 1 1. x into x plus 1, that is this column into this column, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1 and 1 into 1, 1. Okay, so from this table we can identify that both x and x into x plus y columns are identical, both are same. Okay, x column contains 0, 0, 1, 1 and then this column also contains 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, hence the second law is also proved by using two table. Okay, next we can prove by using algebraic laws. Okay, now let us learn how to prove these absorption laws by using algebraic laws. Okay, so we can prove the first law at first. What is first law? Yes, x plus xy is equal to x. So we can write down x plus xy is equal to x. Okay, so take LHS. Take LHS, that is x plus xy. Okay, then you can take x outer. Okay, x into 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 by using the properties of 0 and 1, y 1 plus y is equal to 1, that is equal to x dot 1. Okay, equal to x dot 1, that is equal to x. So first law is proved, x plus xy is equal to x. Okay, now let us prove x into x plus y equal to x. Okay, so take x into x plus y is equal to x, then take LHS. This one you can take, that is x into x plus y. Okay, then multiplied by x into x. Okay, x into x plus x into y. What is x into x? According to idempotence law, x into x equal to x. So we can write x plus x dot y. See children, when you solve these laws in your book or paper, you have to identify which law is applied here to reduce these equations. Okay, so against this one you have to mention according to idempotence law, x dot x equal to x. Okay, here no space, that's why I am not writing here, but I will give the same in your notebook. From this one you can take x outside, then we can write x into 1 plus 1. Okay, then 1 plus y is equal to 1 according to properties of 0 and 1, 1 plus y is equal to 1, then 1 into x. 1 into x equal to x, that is equal to RHS. Okay, now we get LHS equal to RHS. So this law is also proved by using Boolean algebraic laws. Okay, absorption law. There are two laws in absorption law. First one, x plus xy is equal to x and x into x plus y is equal to x. So children, you are studying the proof by using both two table and algebraic laws. Okay, these questions will come for your exam. Okay, so let us discuss one more law. Okay, this law is also called third distributive law. Okay, third distributive law says that x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. Okay, now let us prove by using the algebraic laws. First take LHS x plus x bar y. Okay, then x plus x bar y we can write it as x dot 1 plus x bar y. Okay, x we can write it as x dot 1 according to the properties of 0 and 1. X dot 1 is equal to x, so we can write it as x dot 1. For x we can replace x as x dot 1. Okay, then we can multiply, and this one, then you can replace this one as 1 plus 1 according to properties of 0 and 1. 1 plus y is equal to 1. So we can write x into 1 plus y plus x bar y. Okay, then you can multiply with each one, then x into 1 x, then x into y xy, then x bar y. Okay, then x into, you can take this y outside, from these two terms, take y outside, then y into x plus x bar. Okay, see, x plus x bar is equal to 1 according to complementarity law. Y plus y bar or x plus x bar is equal to 1. So here x plus x bar is equal to 1, then x plus y dot 1. Okay, then y dot 1 is equal to y according to properties of 0 and 1. Y dot 1 is equal to 1. So x plus y. So we get this RHS x plus y. So now we prove that x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. That is LHS equal to RHS. Clear? Okay. So children, you please write and study all these laws in your paper. Okay, all the laws should be thorough. These laws surely will ask for your exam. So thorough all these laws. Clear? Then see you again with another topic. Till then, take care. Bye.